Hello everyone, welcome back at way2testing.com. So today we will cover the Selenium 4 feature like locators. I will give you the demo on the locators, how we will be using in our projects, how it is useful. So this is our website, way2testing.com, and here all kind of study material is there. So inside the Selenium tutorial, I have already created a web page for Selenium 4 features. So today we will discuss about the locators feature. So it's very easy, it's reutilizing our code. So suppose that some scenario like this one. So let me go to my practice page. So I have designed a practice page. Like inside the Selenium you will get a practice page like this one. You can do the practice of all the elements like upload and link clicking table. Like in interview they used to ask a lot of things from it. So suppose that I have the XPath of this wave element and I want to go to the above, below, left, right. So by single XPath we can perform these all operation. So like this one. So I will quickly creating the XPath for this one. So its attribute is a, sorry, tag name is a, and then attribute I am taking as a contains, and I am taking it as a text. So simple XPath I am creating. You can also create some whatever you want. So okay, I got this one. Okay, so I'm using this XPath. So I have Eclipse, I have already configured all the things. So let me say that I have a dot find element by dot XPath, and this one I will put over here, and this will return me a web element. So I will store this one in a web element. I will give it name as a center element. Okay, center element. You can give any name. I'm just giving it as a center element, and for that I need to open a URL. So I need to navigate.to. Why we are using the navigate? Because we can perform uh, all the operation like refresh and other things. Okay, so now I will give the URL of my website, which is a practice page, this one. So I'm taking this URL and I'm pasting over here. And after pasting the URL, let me put some weight. You can give any weight, but for the time being I am just using a simple weight like this one. Okay, so I got this web element. Now I need to highlight this web element. So I have already created a function in the JavaScript and already shared in my previous video that it's a simple that you need to execute the script and pass the attributes to highlight the web element. Okay, so I am calling this function so that my web element can be get highlighted. So this web element will get highlighted, and suppose that I want to print something like system.out.println. So inside, suppose that I want to print some text, like this web element I want to get some text and I want to paste here. Okay, so dot get text. Okay, so in this way this is my suppose that center element, and now I want to perform some operations like on it, like this one. So suppose that center, and I want to go to the above. So simple, I will say that above of this one, and here uh, above element will be like this one, and above element will be like this one. So here very small change you need to do like this one. Okay, driver dot find element, you need to type here relate to locator. Okay, dot, let me, it will be from starting driver dot find element. Okay, so here we write relate to locator dot with, and suppose that I want to keep simple because it's a table, so I will prefer like this one. Suppose that I want to go to this one, so I will simply give the tag name td. Okay, so I will say that with I'm saying that by dot tag name. Okay, so tag name I am using which is td, and then I'm saying uh, just above, of which one, this one, the center element. So it will give you the above element like this one. Okay, so simply from above element you can get the text and you can perform whatever operation you want to perform. Same way we will do for the below element. Okay, so let me take this one. I will do this one like below. Okay, so simple, here we need to change the below. Same way like this one, and this will be the below element. After that get text. Okay, After that, suppose that I want to go to the left of this element. So simple, I will do, there is the inbuilt method which is above, below, and suppose that I want to go to the left. So I will do left of. This method is already in Selenium 4 that you can call to get the left element. Same way, we will get the element which is right out to the central element. Okay. So now I will use this one and I will go to the right of this one. So I will use right element and I will click on this one and this will be the right element. Okay. So this is for the right element. So here we will just change the left to the right. Okay. To right. And suppose that there is one more thing like near example. So suppose that I have another web element and like you can say second element, you can give any name. Suppose that I have some second element like driver.find element by .xpath. I am taking a very easy example. You can take some more complex. So suppose that I want to go to the near of this one. So like web element, you can take near daisy. Okay. So like this one. So we will say that driver dot find element. Here we will use the relative locator dot width, and then I'm saying that something like and dot near here. I think dot near by second element. Okay. So I will show you just 1 minute only. So suppose that there is a case like we need to click on a checkbox like this one and we don't have a path for it. So but we have some element which is near to this checkbox. For example, the daisy is near to this checkbox. So I am taking the XPath of this one. Okay, so I'm taking the XPath of this one. So I'm saying that daisy XPath is this one. Okay, and then I'm saying that so this is the checkbox. So absolutely, a tag name will be the input. Okay, so you will get many scenario in real life like dot tag name like input. Okay, so what I want to do with this element, this is a checkbox, so I want to simply click on it, like click on it. Okay, so all the operation as we have performed like by single web element, we are going above, below, left, right, near, and we are printing the text of each element so that we can see how operation is being performed. So let me run this one. Now I will run this script to show that how our test case will be executed, means how locators will be working. So I'm running it via the test ng. So you first it will open the browser, maximize it, and then open the URL that I have given, and then you can see how it will perform the operation. So you can see it selecting the center, above, below, and left, and then right, and then the checkbox near to the daisy. The checkbox has been checked. You can see. So also you can say that it's printing the text from module like this one. Okay, like whatever text was there, it is printing. So this is the main thing. One more feature in Selenium 4, like you can switch to the windows very easily. For example, like first let me take the parent window, parent tab in a so I will say that driver dot get window handle, this one. So I will store my parent window something, and then I will switch to, so previously we are using the control T or something, but this time we can open the new tab very easily, like they would have switched to new window. There is a method, and then we can simply type like window type dot tab. Okay, dot tab, window type dot tab. So now it will open this window, and now suppose that I want to perform some operation like driver dot navigate to navigate, driver dot navigate dot to some operation I want to perform, like open something like same URL I want to open, like this one, http. So I'm opening this URL as well. And suppose that after opening the URL, I want to come back to my parent window. So this is the new tab and new window of the new feature. in Selenium 4. So I will say that driver dot switch to window, and which window? It's the parent tab, means the previously opened. Okay, so this is the new feature of Selenium 4, like new window you can use window tab for new tab, and for window we will be using the window I have already given in my website in Selenium 4. Like here you will find that in the, yes, for opening the new tab we can use this one, for opening a new window we can use this one. So let me run the some complete code, so you will get these basically main features that you will be actual the while coding the scenarios you will face these all changes in Selenium 4. So it's opening the browser, opening the URL, and then it will go to the here, and it will wait couple of seconds, then center, then above, then below, left, right, clicking the near checkbox which is near to the daisy, clicked. Now it's opened a new URL, new tab, and URL, and then switching back to the parent. So this is the basic feature that in the Selenium 4 that you have seen, uh, this one. So in the next topic maybe there will be a series of TypeScript, a very good examples I will take, a couple of videos we will complete it. So thank you for watching, have a great day.